Rare find in Southwest Medford. Home, shop, guest house, large .41 acre lot. Amazing outdoor entertaining. This well-kept, clean and tidy 3-bed/2 bath has large living room, primary bedroom, large laundry/pantry, 3-year-old roof, and many upgrades. The 40 by 50 shop has all the space needed for storage, projects, and a half bath too. The current guest quarters make a great multi-purpose room, approximately 720 square feet. Outdoor entertainers delight with covered patios, well-equipped outdoor kitchen completed with smoker, barbecue and rotisserie. This won't last long.